gonna get all shitty.
We have 18 seconds, my doggy.
You're my
Dude.
dog. You're my doggy. Excuse me.
Dude.
Oh my god!
Go, go, go. Go.
Stop interrupting me, you bitch! You fucking asshole! What's wrong with you?
Try?
We need to go back to couples counseling again.
No, they don't work. We've been through this.
What is going to work, mister?
You just have to listen to me.
What will work?
You don't listen to me anymore, man.
I listen to you every day, and that's driving me nuts. It's driving me mad.
Oh, here we go again, huh? Here we go again.
Quite fucking balmy.
So tough to listen to me, huh?
It's another
Oh,
comedic
yeah, you
moment
would
with
say that.
Mysta
You
Rias. Oh,
would.
I'm such a bottom. Oh, I'm such a. Oh, look at me.
Get up there.
I just want some peace and fucking quiet. some
Yeah,
days.
yeah, well,
No
don't
wonder
we
I don't
all?
listen. No wonder I don't listen to you with the amount of bullshit you come out with. And you're doing it again!
See, you died. Because you won't smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, please, please, and turn on the notification bell.